Hello, everyone, and welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to show you a practical example of leveraging ChatGPT to provide us with sentiment analysis. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask ChatGPT to tell me what are the main positive aspects customer mentioned in these reviews. And I'm going to press Shift and Enter. And then I'm going to navigate to the Excel sheet that I showed you before. So this is the Excel sheet, if you recall. And I'm going to start with the positive reviews first. So here I basically selected the feedback. So I can filter out the feedback column to either 0 or 1. 0 means negative feedback, and 1 means that I have a positive feedback. So I'm going to start with the positive ones first. So I'm going to only select the ones. Here we go. And you will notice that all of them are pretty much positive. And if you go to the left-hand side here, you will see that rating is either 4, 5, 3, which is quite high in general. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply copy a few of those here. And please don't copy a lot because we have limitation on the number of tokens that we can feed in to ChatGPT. We're just going to say Control C on your keyboard. Come here, Control V to paste them, and then you press Enter. And you might need to restart the whole thing. Again, I've been experiencing this issue as well quite frequently. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to say again, what are the main aspects customers mention in these reviews? And then I'm going to press Enter. I can tell you, well, here we go. Based on these reviews, the main positive aspects customer mentions are first, music. Customers love the sound quality of the Echo and how easy it is to play music. Smart home control, customers really like it. Entertainment. Customers enjoy playing games, learning new things, and asking Alexa random questions for entertainment. This is, again, gold mine for anyone or any company by simply just grabbing all the reviews, whatever it is, whatever they are, if they are positive or negative, and just plug them in here. And then ChatGPT is going to tell you a summary of the reviews and what are the main positive aspects, which is, again, pretty incredible. Ease of use, and then voice recognition, fun and novelty. We also have here size and design. Customers appreciate the compact size and design of the Echo. And then alarm. Customers with hearing difficulties appreciate the Echo's loud alarm. And then future potential as well. They're excited about the capabilities that Amazon Echo will gonna have in the future. Okay, so what if I would like to maybe explore the negative review? So I'm gonna go back here, and then I'm going to go to the feedback column. And then I'm going to only select the 0 ones. So what you see here is I have all basically negative reviews. And if you go on the left-hand side, you'll see the ratings here either 1 or 2, like pretty poor. So again, please don't copy a lot. Just copy a few of those. So I'm just going to get maybe a few of them here. Then I'm going to say Control C, copy. Come here, Control V. I'm going to go up. And then I'm going to ask the question, what are the most common complaints these negative reviews mentioned? So here, what are the most common complaints in these negative reviews? And simply here, I copied all the negative reviews that I got before. Let's go ahead and give it a shot. And let's go ahead. We have to restart it again. My apologies for this. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So what are the most common complaints in these negative reviews? I'm going to go back here. And then I'm going to copy those, come back, and then I'm going to paste them. Here we go. Based on the negative reviews, the most common complaints about the Amazon Echo Dot seems to be poor sound quality, limited features, unreliable or inconsistent performance, difficulty setting it up when connecting it to Wi-Fi. I actually had this issue before as well when I purchased my Amazon Echo before. Also, refurbished or certified pre-owned units are not working properly. Alexa not understanding commands or responding properly. Inability to differentiate between multiple users or accounts, needing to be plugged in all the time, randomly turning on or speaking without prompting, and then failing to work or crashing after a short period of time. Again, pretty amazing because it can summarize all the negative reviews for you. All right, let's assume that you would like to analyze the pricing of the product in these reviews, and would like to know how do customers feel about the pricing. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to say, well, how do customers feel, about the pricing of the product in these reviews? Here we go. The provided reviews do not explicitly mention customer sentiment toward the pricing of the product. So here we did not have any related pricing, basically issue. But if you would like to have a specific question related to pricing, you can simply grab all the negative reviews, plug them here, and then you can ask that specific question, and then ChatGPT is going to tell you exactly what the pricing issue was. All right, let's assume that we would like to summarize specific text, for example, into one paragraph. Grab all the negative reviews, and then you can ask ChatGPT to summarize that text in one paragraph. So I can say, can you summarize this text in one paragraph? And then if you press Shift and Enter, then you can go ahead to the Excel sheet that I showed you before, copy these negative reviews, and then paste them here. And then you press Enter, and here we go. What you get here is going to tell you the text consists of multiple reviews about the Amazon Echo Dot, the voice-controlled speaker and home assistant device. Some reviewers are disappointed with the product sound, quality, unreliability, difficulty in setting up, and poor speech recognition software. Again, summarizing pretty much all the text that we got here before into just one concise paragraph that it feels like it has been written by a human, which is, again, super powerful. Okay, what I could ask as well, I can ask ChatGPT to tell me what action items I should take to overcome this. So if I go ahead and say what action items should I take to basically overcome this problem, and then if you press Enter, here we go. It's going to tell you, as a language model, I don't have access to the specific context or details about the trying to overcome. However, if you're experiencing issue with your Amazon Dot, here are the general actions that you should take. First, you need to check if the device connected to stable Wi-Fi. Ensure that the device is placed in a location with minimal obstructions. You need to reset the device to its factory settings. Contact Amazon customer support. Basically, what ChatGPT here recommended for you to overcome these issues as a user. But what I was actually really asking is, I'm assuming that I am the manufacturer of this product and what action items I should do. As a business owner, if you go and you analyze all the negative reviews that customers gave you, you summarize them into key points that you got here, for example. Now I need to know what should I do to basically avoid these issues and maybe improve my reviews. So if I say, what should I do if I am the manufacturer of this product? You press Enter, it's going to tell you, well, if you are the manufacturer of this product, if you have received these negative reviews, these are the action item that you should take. It's giving you basically advice. First, you need to analyze the feedback. You need to go through each review and understand the problems. You need to improve the product. Based on the feedback, make necessary improvements. You need to improve or improve the sound quality, because a lot of customers are complaining about the sound quality. Improve customer service. Make sure that you have a strong customer service team. Launch a marketing campaign and other incentives as well to your customer. And that's it. That's pretty much all I have for this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next lesson.